Welcome to the 40th session of LMS. Program is for BSc students, subject mathematics, semester 5th semester. The title of the paper is Numerical Analysis. As we know that we are learning the finite differences, the third unit of the numerical analysis paper. In that today, in this session, we are going to learn difference table and problems. So first we go for the recap. We have learnt in the previous sessions how to solve the problems related to the nth difference E, that is shift operator, and forward difference del. So at the end of this session, we can able to solve the problems related to the difference table. So we'll take the first problem. So we have to construct our difference table for the given polynomial and for the x value, that is the x value 0, 1 of 4. Okay, so we have to construct. So here the value x 0 to 1 means it indicates that it is starting from 0 and ending at 4, and the interval difference is 1. Right, here I have told you that about interval difference is 1. So now they are given the equation. So x value, what will the x value? From 0, it will start from 0 here and it's at 4, and the difference between the two consecutive values is 1. Right, so you have taken the function as well as the x values. Now you will construct the table. As we know that for data, x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from 0 and at 4, interval difference between these two is 1, between these two is 1. Okay, like this. So now f of x is this one. After substituting this 0 in the function, that is f of x, you will get 1. Right, so if you substitute that 1 in this x is equals to 0, it will be 1. Right, like this. If you go on substituting all the values, you will get 1, 3, 7, 13, 21. So this is the table. Now I will construct the forward difference. As we know that x is here, all the values, and y we know that after substituting the f of x, whatever we have got, that is my y. Now I will go for the difference of these two. 3 minus 1, what is the value? 2. 7 minus 3, it is 4. 13 minus 7, it is 6. 21 minus 13, it is 8. Okay, this is my delta. Now I'll go for the del square. To find the del square, we'll go for the difference of 4 minus 2. Its answer is 2. Right, now next 6 minus 4, its answer is 2. We have wrote it here. Right, next we have to go for the difference of 8 minus 6, it is 2. We have wrote it here. Right, now I'll go for the next table, that is del cube. So third difference, this minus this, that is 2 minus 2, its value is 1. Again 2 minus 2, its value is 1. Right, now I will go for the fourth difference in the table. So 1 minus 1, 0. Right, in this way we can able to construct the difference table. At the same time, you can observe here total how many terms they are given? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, but difference table is fourth difference we will get it. So this we have to remember here so that we can use it whenever we are needed. So there are 5 terms they are given, means I can get 4 terms, I can get it. Fourth difference I can get it, that is 0 to 4 means it is totally 5 terms are there, but difference table is fourth difference I can get. Okay, right, we'll go for next problem. So by constructing a difference table, find 10th term of the sequence. So he has given some sequence. In this we have to find the 10th term. Okay, the difference table, by constructing the difference table. Difference table for the given sets of values. I will construct the difference table first. You can see it here. So here is the difference table. Just you can note that here A plus H, A plus 2H, A plus 3H, A plus 4H, A plus 5H. In some textbooks they will use X naught plus A, X naught plus H, X naught plus 2H, X naught plus 3H, X naught plus 4H, X naught plus 5H. In general, some textbooks will use us X naught plus NH, like this it is. Okay, I have used here A plus H, A plus 2H, A plus 3H, A plus 4H, A plus 6H. So at the same time, this is my Y values, this is my delta, this is delta square, this is delta cube, this is delta to the power of 4. Right? Now we have got, it is X, Y, this is delta, delta square, delta cube, delta to the power of 4. Right, friends? So just I will write. Okay. Now, from the table we have the fourth differences are 0. You can see it here. This is first difference, second difference, third difference, and fourth differences are 0. The sequence are the values of third degree polynomial. Okay, fine. You can see it here. Right, so this is the differences are 0. What is the difference I can get? Maximum. Third difference. Therefore, I can say that my polynomial will be of degree 3. Right? Okay. So, now I have a formula. F of A plus NH is equals to F of A plus n into del of f of a, that is forward difference of f of a, n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square of f of a, that is second difference of f of a. Like this we have all the formulas. Okay, now how to find the nth term? So what I will do, to find the nth value, I will take here n is equals to 9, so that I can get the 10th term. Okay, so the 10th term is equals to, I know the formula, f of a plus nh, n is equals to 9, I have substituted. So similarly, f of a plus n is 9, I am substituting in the formula, above formula. So delta of f of a, n into n minus 1 divided by 2, n is 9, n is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 into 8 divided by 2 factorial, it is del square of f of a. I am substituting this in this formula. Okay, now I will substitute the 9 in these terms in the above formula. 9, 8, 7, here you can see, and 3 factorial del cube. Okay, as I know that the fourth difference, as per my table, the fourth difference is 0, so I will not substitute again, because I have to substitute here del of f of a, del square of f of a, and del cube of f of a values. Where del to the power of 4 is 0, I know that, so I will not substitute again. So next, so f of a, what is the value of the f of a? Now I can say f of a value is here it is f of a, right? This is f of a, delta of f of a, delta square of f of a, delta cube of f of a, right? It is 3. You can see it, f of a is 3. 9 as is it, delta of f of a, first difference, you can see it here, first difference, this is first difference, 11 it is, so I have substituted it 11, right? 9 into 8 divided by 2 factorial, if you simplify you will get 36, and del square of f of a, you can see the table, del square of f of a, del square of f of a, right? It is 14. Now you have substituted the 14. You can see it here, 14 is there. 14 you have substituted. Now if you simplify this term, 3 factorial and 7, 8 into 9, you will get 84, and del cube of f of a, you can check it, del cube of f of a, this is the first term, 6. So I have substituted that 6. Right? If you simplify this, you will get 3110 as my answer. Fine. So some of the textbooks for you references. Thank you, friends.